Father John?
Yes, please.
Dinner is served. Please come to the dining.
Thank you, Elizabeth.
You are welcome. I made your favorite.
Yes, it's sure my favorite. Lord bless this meal through Christ, Lord.
Amen.
Oh, thank you.
Is it delicious?
Oh, I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You sure know how to get me my favorite.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you.
Because I have something to say.
Okay, I'm all ears.
I have something to say because I know that this will be our last supper.
I don't understand. Is anything the problem?
Father, I hope God can forgive us our sins when He sees us in heaven tonight. Because I poisoned the food.
Jesus Christ. Elizabeth.
Madam Elizabeth, I understand you, but what you're asking won't be possible. It can't be.
You're my lawyer.
I know, but we can't file a case against him now. You have already lost this case, not once, not twice. Yeah, I'm sorry, please. You have to take it that way.
It's fine.
Yeah, please. The judge has already ruled the case against you, okay? The kids can't be under your care.
It's okay. Thank you, Barrister Amara. I think it's your profession to defend me at all times.
It is, but please, you have lost this case. Take it the way it is. I'm sorry.
It's okay. That's fine. Have a great day, Amara.
You too.
Please stop crying now. Please stop crying. Everything will be fine. By next year, God will provide and you pay for your wife and
No. I don't want next year. I want to write it this year. Why is my uncle so wicked? Why is he so wicked?
You have seen things are
He
not
told
working
me he
out.
doesn't have money, but he has paid for his 2 children. Just because I have no parents. Just because I'm nobody. Leave me, I don't want to write next year. I want to write this year.
I cannot help you, Mama. Please calm down.
He promised to give you the money.
Yes.
How can he just change his mind at this last minute? And if you don't pay today, you will not sit for the exam. How can people be this heartless?
Just because I refuse to sleep with him. He said I should sleep with him before giving me the money. I refuse.
What? Hey, your uncle.
Yes.
Hey, this world is full of wicked people. How can he? This is so sad.
Abomination.
No. You are not ready to say so. I will die.
You will not die. Everything will be fine.
You will not
I will die.
What's happening here? Hello? What's happening here?
Good morning, sir.
Morning, what's going on here? Why is she crying?
Today is the final day for our WAEC registration and she has not registered yet.
Is that why she's crying?
Yes, sir.
What about her parents? What about them?
She doesn't have any parents. She's an orphan and we are friends.
Yes, and she's the best student in our school.
Oh, I see. Okay, she doesn't have parents. What about her siblings like uncle, aunt, nephew, niece? Where are they?
I have one wicked uncle. But he refused to pay. He said I have to sleep with him first before you pay for my registration.
She said that? That uncle must be heartless and wicked.
Very wicked.
And he has paid for his children's own. He told her to go and look for who will pay since she does not want to comply.
That is abomination. Why will your uncle want to do such? You know what? How much is the WAEC and JAMB registration money? How much is it?
Sir, it's 40,000 naira, but I've given her 5,000 naira. We just need 35,000 naira, sir.
35,000?
Yes.
You know what? You mean 35,000 is the problem?
Yes, sir.
Just 35,000?
Yes, sir.
Big 35,000.
Yeah, you know what? God will shame the devil right now. Amen.
Amen.
Clean your tears. Don't cry again.
She has cleaned it, sir.
Wait here for me. Are you hearing me?
Yes,
wait
sir.
here. Don't move an inch. Okay. Let me go back and come back.
Okay.
Let me go and come back. Okay. Do you hear me?
Wait here.
Just wait here.
Alright, sir.
Relax. Just wait here. Huh? I'm coming. Just don't cry. Clean your tears. Don't see. Clean it. I'm coming.
Wait. I don't understand. Which one is don't cry? Don't cry, we'll bring the money.
Just wait.
Is he going to bring the money?
Yes! He said we should wait. Let's wait.
Then we can just follow him and collect it down.
No, he said let's wait at his seat.
Sit down. He said we should wait. We should wait. Money's coming.
Ebuka, see, I don't get that kind of money. I don't get that kind of money to give you. You want me to see a whole 35,000. Why would you talk that kind of thing, sef? You don't mind me? For this scarcity when we dey like this, you get any car wey you don't see here today? You know say my mama dey for village dey sick. You know about am. I never see 5,000 naira to carry go give her. You dey tell me say make I find 35,000. Nah, abeg. No just cause for my mood today. Abeg. 35,000.
Where do you expect me to get this money from? Where you expect me to go get this money from? I was putting my hope on you. You that I know is a musician that always leave workshop and I go to the studio to do music. Anytime I beg you for money, you always give me excuses. Okay. Do you know anyone that you can tell to borrow me this money? Do you have anybody?
See, Ebuka, you know how the situation is right now. Things are scarce. Work no dey. What kind of money they give you now? But go try Oga Joe. Try Oga Joe now.
Which one is I should go and try your Oga Joe? Your Oga Joe that you and I know that traveled. Or is he back?
Yes, now he's back. Oga Joe in the workshop. Yes.
Okay, let me go and meet Oga Joe.
Come, Ebuka, wait.
What is it?
Ebuka, why you need this money so urgently? Why you won't go borrow money?
Let me go and meet Oga Joe first. By the time I'm done with him, I'll let you know the reason I need the money. Just relax. When I go and come back, I'll let you know. Don't worry. I'll be back.
I never say we come for this condition.
Carry the key, give the owner. You can't hear. Carry the key, give the owner. Hey, the police are mad. Okay, Joe. Hey, stop. Yeah, there you go. You are shouting my name. What is it? Okay, Joe. Why are you shouting my name like that? Thank God I saw you. I need your help, please. I need your help. Borrow me 35,000 naira. See, I'm expecting money this weekend. I'll give it back to you. I promise you.
Ebuka, first of all, the way you shouted my name, I was scared. I thought someone was
pursuing you.
No, nobody.
They are looking for money. Yes. That 5,000 naira, I'll give you back. Oh.
Don't worry, no worry.
You know, say if I get money, I will give you, right? You're a guy now. I know, say if I give you, you will return now. But right now, I just finished my father's burial last week, and you know about it, Abi. I don't get money with me. Is that why you're running like this? By the way, what do you want to do with the money? Oga Joe, I want to pay for someone's WAEC registration fee. Right. So I need the money to pay, and today is the deadline. If I don't give the person the money today, a lot of things will spoil. Are you sure you've not smoked? Because the way you are running, I don't understand. You are training a girl in school now.
No, I'm not training a girl in school.
It's the same thing. Listen, I want to give you advice as a Oga. Eh? You see all those girls who don't deserve our help. A girl that will eventually leave you after graduating and find another boy that is a graduate like her. Oga, this kind of thing have happened to me before. I trained a girl in university. After I finished training her, she told me that in fact, she don't want to marry me again, that I'm an illiterate. I should list all the money I spent on her so that she will pay me back. That she has gotten someone that she wants to marry. She left me heartbroken. I don't want this thing to happen to you. You're my boy, let me give you orientation. I don't want this thing to happen to you. Avoid that girl. Look at the way you're running. Because you want to. Are you sure you're not charmed? I'm not paying for anybody's school fees, so it's just I want to help her. Hey Buka, don't go and carry responsibilities that is bigger than you. That girl should go to her parents and collect the money. In essence, so get out from this place. Unless I don't come in like that. Don't stop me like that. Don't be stupid.
Oga Joe. Oga Joe.
We have been waiting. Eh? What is happening?
Are you sure this man is going to come back? Eh?
Yes, so let's wait a little longer. He will.
But we're supposed to be in school by now. We've been waiting here for so long. Eh? I don't know.
Today is the last day. Today is the last day. Hey God, God, please help me. Oh, help me, please, God, help me.
Chuma, stop crying. God already helped you. Eh? Let's wait a little longer. He will come. Maybe he went to the bank to withdraw money or something. But you know, if I had money, I would have given you, Chuma.
I know, but you don't have money now. I know.
Even me, I wish I had the money to give you. I would have given you. Let's just wait. I'm optimistic he's going to show up. Okay? He will show up. You just have to show up.
That's what I said. I said, let's follow him that time.
And he said we should wait.
I said, let's follow him.
Did you see?
No. How will I do that? Alpha.
We're still waiting.
No, he hasn't. Hey, God. See, I just suggest we leave here. I don't think this man will come back. Let's go, please. Let's just leave here. Leave here to where now? Leave here to where? They're not doing anything in school. It's just registration they are doing.
Think if you are not going, let's wait. I insist.
I am here. I am back. I'm sorry I kept you guys waiting, okay? It wasn't an easy one, but here's the money. Yeah, 35,000. Run right now and register for your jam and WAEC. Go and register.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you,
sir.
No.
Thank you.
Stand up. Let's go, Run, don't waste time.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy. Go and register.
You locked the door.
Relax. Okay? Babe, relax. You know I love you. You're no longer in the mood? I'll put you in the mood. Relax, okay?
I thought you did lock the door.
I locked the door. Just forget about it, okay? Let's get back to our game.
sweet. Okay. I just want us to. What do you think?
I'm just thinking, too. Like,
Think about what?
how do you Hey! Jeez! Like, that's crazy.
Baby! I told you you're hot, baby! You're hot! Ah. Cheers to hot sex.
Are you kidding me? But like,
But how what?
honestly, how do you cope with her? Are you not scared she might try to harm you?
Harm me?
Of course.
Why? Come on. Forget about her. Like I told you. Everything is fine. Okay? Just relax. I mean, you should be talking about yourself. Yes. Let me give you a secret. Elizabeth loved me so much that she cannot even think of hurting me.
Wow.
Yes.
That means I'm at the receiving end.
You should be careful.
I have to be careful then. Like, babe.
But don't worry, okay? I got your back, okay?
Cheers to.
Cheers to good life and hot sex.
Like, yeah. Fire.
Double R.
Ah.
Don't fight us.
That was crazy as hell.
What? No. Who does that? No, I don't get it. How could you allow a girl to be sleeping with your husband in your own matrimonial home? I mean, in your house. Who does that? Huh? And you came here to do what? Just to tell us about it and without any action? Come on, baby girl, wake up.
This is so surprising. I thought this lady is your best friend. Why would she do such a thing to you? Huh? Man, I will break the both of them with acid. What nonsense.
Oh my God. No. No. Let's believe she's joking. Maybe she's just trying to pull our legs and all that. Right? Oh, you're not serious? No. What do you want me to do? Really?
What? I've only come here to rest my head. Is that too much to ask?
Really? Oh. You came here to clear your head and that's it. As we speak right now, one dirty girl from nowhere, ain't nobody, is docking your husband. And you're saying, what do you want me to do? I came here to relax my head. Just like that, and that's it? You can't be serious. You need to wake up.
And I asked, what do you want me to do about it?
I don't think she's telling you the truth. It's not possible. It's not. There's something in this matter. She's not telling us the truth.
Alright.
Hi. Oh, mama. No. Oh, you are all welcome. My beautiful wife. Mama. Thank you so much for bringing my grandchildren to me after a long while.
I miss them so much.
Thank you, Mama.
And God bless you for this.
Amen.
And amen.
Amen.
You see what we always say, eh? The evidence of a happy man is always emanating from the wife.
Exactly.
You understand? Hey, look at this one, eh? There goes Mukesi, eh? Looking fresh, looking fresh and young every day, eh? Every year young. Look at him.
But what's doing?
Yes.
Yes, yes. My husband, you are right. Hi. Ever since she got married to her son, it's been blessings from Okona. In good health, wow. Look at all the investment that has been coming his way in and outside this community. Ah, that is a sign of marrying a blessed woman.
Of course.
Yes, you're not far from the truth.
Yes.
You're not far from the truth. Yeah? It's very good now. No. And how is your sister Dana? Have you heard from her? When is she coming to visit Nigeria?
Papa, I don't know, but I'm sure she's visiting after her masters.
Oh.
Yeah,
that's all right. But let her not get married over there.
Can you say that? How can she get married without telling us? Who does that?
Family come now. I'm just saying.
Like, this one will never happen. You know the daughter I gave birth. She can never do that. Come to think of it, my son, I heard your ex-wife now stays in Abuja. I hope that is not too risky for you.
We're in our own space, Mama. Elizabeth cannot do anything.
Okay. So what do you I said, let me ask you, Iman, or the Arahoraba,
No problem.
Let's go and visit the building site.
How's it going?
They walk. You can.
Mama, you stay with the kids now.
No problem. Let me catch up with them.
Ebuka, my guy choose. Alpha. You no tell me say you dey train girl for school.
Nah, but leave that talk. Who show me this one?
I no dey anymore for that kind talk about. Ebuka, that money you dey find since morning. Shebi na woman you wan give am, make she carry go register her WAEC. Oh wait you think say me chooks I no go know ba? I wan ask you one question. Na mumu dey worry you, abi you get another thing wey dey worry you? Imagine you never get anything. I'm not sure say you even get up to 50,000 for your account. You dey go train woman for school. Woman wey you and I know very well say one day she go break your heart. Now you dey go train for school. Meanwhile, I think say you get girlfriend.
Which time I tell you say I dey train anybody for school? Did I tell you I'm training any girl in school? I only helped a helpless girl to pay her JAMB and WAEC registration form. Now bad thing be that. I tell you say she my girlfriend. Or I tell you say the train person for school. Now help the poor girl.
Can't leave that way they talk. You know say na lie dey lie. Na big lie. This girl won't fall now. Na big lie dey lie. Leave that thing. You tell me say na just help now you dey help girl. You are here.
Yes.
Good day. Welcome. How are you?
I'm fine. We assumed you're a mechanic, so we asked around and somebody directed us to you.
Yes, I am a mechanic. And this is my mechanic workshop.
Okay.
Meet my friend Chooks, my business partner, and also a mechanic.
Okay. Hi, Mr. Chooks.
You're
Hello.
welcome.
I came to give you this to tell you that I've registered.
There's no point looking at it. I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. I also want to use this medium to say thank you. This wouldn't have been possible without you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. May God bless you for me.
It's a
Thank
pleasure.
you.
It's a pleasure. So what do I offer you girls? No, this is the first time you're coming to my workshop.
No, nothing. We're
Yeah.
fine. Yeah, nothing.
Nothing.
No, the truth is let me offer you something.
No, we are good.
Mama,
No, we are fine. We are fine. No.
We don't need anything.
Yes.
We don't need anything.
No, we don't. We're actually on our way going before we decided to come check you here.
Yes.
Sorry to ask, what is your name?
Oh, my name? My name is Ebuka.
Oh, Ebuka. Yes. Okay. Ebuka, I'm Chioma. And these are my friends.
Nkechi.
Ifeoma.
Hi. Nice meeting you, girls. Baby. Nice meeting you, girls.
Hi. You're welcome.
Yes.
Are you really sure you don't need anything?
No, we are good. We should be on our way now.
Okay,
Just like
it's
that.
okay.
Yeah.
Take care of yourself.
Oh, okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, oh.
Nah. Kasi.
Those guys said, oh. They said.
Close your mouth. It didn't worry you. No get sense. No get eyes. See, forget about their two headlamp and Bakasi. Those guys are small children.
Ah, don't talk that thing.
When I child abuse you,
Those guys never reach 18 years. Child abuse. You see, girls, so like, sit down why I do like this. I do like this. Now actually do.
see, I don't want
Those guys bad. No, they play.
18 years. Those guys never reach 18
Leave that
years.
thing with that big yansh.
Don't you? Carry chair more enter. See, don't go continue to do inside. No couple that guy engine. Don't go and do child abuse. They are not your level. Go na fabulous boy, idiot. Come on.
These guys,
Stop.
just
Keep quiet.
they sabi something pass you.
Before you do something, brother. That woman you put your hope in,
Ekene. Papa. Ekene. The one talk to her. Tell her. Warn your mother to stop talking about that useless girl here. That abomination she calls her daughter. She should stop talking about her here, not in this house. Tell her to stop scratching my wound. Wound that I'm trying to heal. Struggling to heal this wound. Your mother has been scratching this wound. Tell her to stop scratching the wound. She should stop scratching my wound. Stop it, woman.
But Nai, how can you disown your only daughter? How? Yes. When things were rosy, she gives you money. She provides whatever you needed. Why will you disown her? Why? Yes, she does everything you needed.
Can you imagine? No, it's like you're out of yourself now. Huh? Are we talking about money here? Don't ever mention that taboo. I've told you. I don't even know what is your problem. What is wrong with you? What have I done to you, woman? Kedifobu? Why won't you let me be? Huh? I don't go to church anymore. I don't go out with my friends anymore. There is nothing. I don't do anything useful again. And what if I get around me because of your daughter? What is your problem? What is your problem?
Mama, please let Papa be. Since he told you to stop mentioning Elizabeth's name in this house, you should respect that. Honestly, you know we are all going through this right now. I myself have been trying to heal. It has been 3 months now. Just let us rest, let us breathe. Especially Papa, you know he's not feeling too well.
Why will I let your father be? I only said I want to go and see my daughter. She is still my daughter no matter what. Yes. Oh,
I'm talking, you are talking. Now take it. If you step out of this house to anywhere in the name of going to see your daughter, and if I see Elizabeth in this house, I will kill both of you. Come on, Jenga. I will kill both of you. Let me go to jail instead. Huh? Don't ever mention that taboo. Don't ever.
Don't you know she is cursed? She's carrying a heavy curse upon her. Don't you, Memaro? And it is only God that can deliver her. You don't know that? Oh, okay. Come and step out. Go to Abuja, let me see. Oh, you want me to harbor a cursed girl in my house in the name of daughter? Mwah. It's you okay for? It was liar. You cannot. Don't ever talk about that girl anymore. And don't go to anywhere else. Nonsense. Nonsense.
Ekene.
Mama, please, I'm begging you. Stop talking about Elizabeth in this house. As Papa has said, just respect it. You know he's not feeling too well. Oh. Before his BP will rise again.
Ekene, even you, Ekene. Kitipa la chaganya. Kitipa yala chapuganya. Everybody is now saying about my daughter, talking about my daughter. What is it? Hey! Elizabeth Nwam, what kind of life did you choose for yourself? Hey! My daughter. My daughter. Look at your father. Who are you? What are you doing in my room? Are you not aware this is my house? Answer me, will you? Austin. What is the meaning of this? Austin, how many times have I asked you to stop bringing your side chicks to my house? Why do you...
Nina, relax, okay? Relax. I got this under control, okay? Elizabeth, please, I need some privacy.
Excuse you? You need what?
I said I need some privacy.
Out! Out! Get out of this house! What is wrong with you? How dare you? How dare you to tell me? Get out! What is wrong with you? How dare you? How dare you tell me how to live my life? Just go. Go to the boss quarters and stay. I don't want to see you inside here. Or else I'll give you flying heading. What is wrong with you? Just look at you. You preaching to me about cheating. You, the kettle, calling the pot black. Just, if you want me to live a life, I will live your life for good. I will leave this marriage for good. Just, in fact, I don't see again. I don't want to see again. Elizabeth, I'll give you a flying heading. I just don't. Get out! Out!
Madam, sorry. Madam, as Oga don't lock the door, if you sleep for my side, make us sleep for Jen's side.
Get out!
Ma? I beg, I don't want to make you sleep outside. Ma?
Get out!
I've lived an ugly life in the past. I've lived a wayward life in the past. Now he's coming back to me. A dainty and a careless life I live, not minding what people may say. But now it's coming back to me. But this is painful. I wish I can turn back the hands of time. I wish I can right all my wrongs.
Ebuka, where is your television? The television that was there, where is it?
My television got spoiled, so I took it to the repairer to get it fixed.
Ebuka, your television got spoiled. So you have used the television to play CHACHA, and you are telling me your television got spoiled, Ebuka?
I did not play any CHACHA. I didn't. I've changed. Truly, my television got spoiled. But don't worry, I'll get a new one. Just get a new one.
Really? So you have started selling your property for gamble, Ebuka? Eh? You have started selling your property for gamble. Listen to me, let me tell you something. If you start selling your properties for gamble, I will get out from this relationship. Yes, I am talking to you.
You are shouting.
Why won't I shout?
Stop shouting.
Why won't I shout? Why won't I shout? Just tell me one reason why I will not shout. You started selling your properties just for gambling, Ebuka, and you are here telling me to stop shouting.
You're still shouting.
Listen to me. The only thing I enjoy in this relationship, in this your house, is that television, the AC, and this bed. And if you start using your properties for gamble, I will get out from this relationship. I already know you amount to nothing. Yes, see, we are just dating, no. Do not use me for your gamble, Ebuka. Do not sell me.
I'm not part of the colonial master that sells people. I won't. You're still shouting.
Do I blame you?
You don't need to shout me.
I'm still shouting. Let me come back to this house and do not see that television again. Nonsense.
If you come back. Neka! Come back here, Neka! Neka, come back here!
Stop and rethink before you do something, brother. That woman you put your hope in, I've lived an ugly life in the past. I've lived a wayward life in the past. Now he's coming back to me. A dainty and a careless life I live, not minding what people may say. But now it's coming back to me. But this is painful. I wish I can turn back the hands of time. I wish I can right all my wrongs and set everything right again. I wish I can turn back the hands of time. I wish I can right all my wrongs. I wish I can. I wish I can. I've lived an ugly life in the past. I've lived a wayward life in the past. Now he's coming back to me.
Elizabeth, you're beautiful.
Thank you.
I mean, you're extremely beautiful.
You're so sweet.
And I want to make a promise. I promise you, I will love you. I will cherish you. I will never do anything to hurt you. I will be the man and the husband you want me to be.
You are so sweet.
Thanks a million. But, Elizabeth, I would like you to give me some time. Yes, I need some time to mourn my late wife. Please.
Your late wife was my friend. So I see why you should mourn her. But I have you know that I want you in my life. I want us to be more than this. I want us to be official. As you know, Charles is no longer in my life. And I need to move on. So would you please consider my feelings?
Elizabeth, you're irresistible. I cannot resist you. Elizabeth, I mean, you and I, we both know the culture. Please, allow me to mourn my wife, okay?
Move in with me. Mourn your late wife in my house.
Okay, can you just please give me 3 months? Just 3 months. Okay? I love you so much. With all my heart.
No. No. It's not possible. It's not possible. Mbano. It's not possible. I disown you today. I disown you. I don't know you. You are not my daughter anymore. And I don't ever want to set my eyes on you throughout my life. Go away from here. Go away from my life, from my family, go out of me. Go out. Go with your riches. Papa. Don't papa me. I am not your father. I am not your father. You are not my daughter. There is no mark of any offspring of me in you. So, go away. Go. Go.
Nai, please.
Don't.
That is my only daughter.
She is not my daughter. She is not my daughter. Don't you know the magnitude of what she did? Don't you know? Don't let me chop off your head. My child, I would rather remain childless in my life. She is not my daughter. I said, go forever. I don't ever want to set my eyes on you throughout this lifetime. Don't have anything with a person of your kind. Listen, I would rather remain without a child than having this kind of child.
Ekene, your sister is going.
Oh, please, do you know the magnitude of what she did? Don't you know?
Nai, please. Please, Papa.
Go! Go!
Hey!
Go with your riches, with everything. Come there, you have for that shoes on. Come on, man, Robem. Go. Which kind of marriage be this? Which kind of stupid and useless marriage be this? Wait, oh. So now, madam sleep inside car. Oga sleep inside house, carry woman enjoy himself. Madam suffer for the car. Oh, this one now things fall apart. God forbid. If they like this marriage they be, me, I no go marry. Hey, now wow. This house na Sodom and Gomorrah. The boy is good. You don't see work.
Austin, this is not what I bargained for. This is not love. This is not a marriage. This is not the love you promised me. It doesn't make any sense at all. You are hurting me day by day. Why do you keep embarrassing me this way? This is not the love you promised me. You are hurting me. You are embarrassing me. Austin, if you must cheat on me, must you do it under my roof?
Oh.
Under my nose?
Lisbeth, what is this? You're sounding like a broken record. This is normal life. This is normal life. I mean, you're talking like you want to report me to, what do you call him again? Reverend John? I know he's not in this country now. If not, he would have been here to give me some preaching and some sermons.
Austin, stop bringing your women to my house. Stop it.
You don't have any right to tell me how to live my life.
Take your bitches to a hotel or something. Leave my house out of it.
You don't have any right, not any freaking fucking right to tell me how to live my life. Not you, not your father John, or whosoever. I live my life the way I want to live it. Nonsense.
I've lived a good life in the past. I've lived a wayward life in the past. Now he's coming back to me.
I am telling you, I don't want to see that woman again in my house. I don't want to see her here again. Don't bring her to my house again.
But she's my friend.
Your friend?
Yes.
What do you know about her? Do you know her place? Do you know where she's coming from? Do you know her past life? Anybody you see, your friend. What do you know about her? I am warning you.
I don't know why you're shouting. Please calm down. Why are you shouting?
Laurus, I am warning you. I don't want this to repeat itself again.
Babe? But you will not choose my friends for me now. This is a woman that is taking solitude on me. Now you want me to kick her out? No, now I don't have such heart. I can't do it.
You're my wife. I proposed to you.
Mm-hmm.
I paid your dowry.
Exactly.
I chose you to be my wife. Yes. If you want to choose your friends yourself, go to my place, pay my groom price, then take me to your own house, not my house. Then you are free to choose whoever you want to be your friend, but not in my house.
Babe.
See, my word is final.
Baby.
Baby, no more. How was your exam today?
It was fine.
Are you sure?
Yes. Very soon I'll be through with my papers.
That's nice. Now tell me, what would you like to become in the future?
I'm a lawyer.
Lawyer?
Yes, a lawyer. But unfortunately, my education will end in secondary school. I have nobody to train me to university.
Yeah. But you bought the JAMB form.
Yes, I did. Just to try my luck now. Or maybe God will send one helper like that. Then I'll go to university. But if not, I will just learn trade or fashion designing or maybe confectionery.
Which one is
confessionary.
Hey!
Ebuka! Ebuka, who is this girl?
What are you doing here?
Ebuka? Hey! So it is true. Ebuka, it is true that you have been cheating on me, Ebuka.
What is true?
Ebuka, let me be.
If you dare make a move, if you move an inch, Ebuka, hey! So you are cheating on me, Ebuka. Ebuka, this is the time that you are cheating on me.
Who told you I'm cheating on you?
Ebuka, you are cheating on me. Ebuka, I don't know what you did to me, Ebuka. Ebuka, my God will punish you. My God will judge you, Ebuka. Just look at me, Ebuka. Just look at my body. Just look at me. Just, I'm not going to leave Ebuka. I will stay with Ebuka. You see that girl? I swear to God, I swear with my life. If I'm talking that girl, that girl will know my name is not.
I know, it's okay. Don't worry. Ebuka, it's okay though. Ebuka, I don't know what you dey talk. You see this matter? Me, Chooks, no call your babe, tell her say you dey with another girl. I no talk, I no even try myself. I get plenty things wey dey disturb me for this shop, what they carry for head. This one wey dey talk no even enter. You no enter, abeg, no dey reason that kind of thing for me I dey. Chooks, just listen to yourself. Just listen to what you're saying to me. Okay, if you not be you tell her, how she come tell you no say I dey here with me. My girlfriend can never visit this workshop without letting me know. She can't try it. She doesn't like coming around the area where I work. She doesn't like it. There is no way my girlfriend will come here without letting me know. You are the one that told her.
See, you know, as I talk this, I don't like say na play. Na still finish the course this one. Bro, maybe me call your babe, tell her say you dey with another woman. I did not do it.
You're telling me.
Which kind of talk with this one now? You want me, Chooks? Go they call your babe to tell her say you dey with another girl. No, you dey take this kind of thing now.
Chooks, stop lying. Chooks, it's okay. Now lie you dey talk. Okay. This way you talk now, arrogant nonsense. Now lie you dey talk. Now you run now. Now you do am.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oga, sorry. This way you do me dey pay me.
It's okay. It's okay. Relax. Yeah. By the way, who is that girl to you? Because the way she dey come here, don't you think that your girlfriend will start suspecting you?
No.
Who is she to you?
She's my friend. Her name is Chioma. Okay. She's the girl I helped to buy JAMB and WAEC registration form for the other time. She's only coming here as a way of saying, showing her gratitude. Show she appreciates and that she's very grateful.
Okay, so she's the one.
Yeah, she's the same girl, the one I came to
later prayed for her.
Yes, I did.
Grateful. Did I just hear you say grateful, Ebuka? Wait though, you actually paid our WAEC fee.
Who told you that?
Do not ask me that. Don't you dare ask me that.
Who told you?
Chooks told me everything. Yes! Chooks told me everything. And that was why you sold your television? And you're yet telling me that your television got spoiled, Ebuka. Oh, Ebuka. Ebuka, God will punish you. My God will damage you, Ebuka, for cheating on me with ordinary secondary school girl. Ebuka, God will disgrace you.
She's not my girlfriend.
I don't care.
I'm not dating Chioma.
I don't care, Ebuka. I said I don't care.
I only want to help her,
You know what? I will trace that girl. I will trace her to her school. And when I get her, oh my God, she will regret her life. Ever meeting you, she will so regret it.
Baby, I'm not cheating on you.
I just said I do not care.
I'm not.
I don't care, Ebuka. I don't care. I don't care.
That woman you put your hope in, Makanife mela wanyi nesu kwa wanya nana.
What do you mean? Why are we fighting here? How could you afford me to do this? How could you afford people go and tell my girlfriend that was the one that bought a WAEC form and JAMB form for Chioma? How could you do this? And you were there lying, saying that you did not tell my girlfriend anything. Just look at you. How can you afford people to do this?
I beg. I know see your body now dey hot. I beg. I am sorry. I just admire the way you and that fine girl. They always talk. They always popori. They do things. You think come make me I can't be jealous. Even her friend why I dey check. I dey put eye for the girl.
But the girl they tell me say I did it. Say I be mechanic. And you can't find girl they can't see you. Why did they tell you say I did it? Why did this is her own friend they tell me say I did it? Let me come do it I do.
Chooks. All this is where they talk now. You want to date the girl, and you no agree. You say be mechanic, you are dirty, you are not fine. I take consign Ebuka. Eh? Is it a good character? No. Is it a character of a good person? A brother or like a man? Odimba?
I beg, make una no vex. I beg. I dey very sorry. The girl just did. Every time you tell me say I dirty, every time I dirty, every time I be mechanic. But you dey follow fine girl dey follow you. Why the girl dey tell you say you dirty? Una two go just dey play. You think come make me I come dey jealous? Una forgive me. I beg.
Okay, truth. Just reason her like this. How will you feel if I go and tell your girlfriend Susan that you are going after Choma's friend? How will you feel? Susan that I know that you are already engaged to and you are planning to get married to, eh? How will you feel if I go and tell the same Susan now that your boyfriend is going after Chioma's friend? Malife, you're a very wicked person. They was denying it all this long.
A mistake.
My mistake.
No, so you know matter, no fit do this kind of thing give you now. I beg.
See, truth, if I slap you and they will say I'm wicked. Now get out of this place. You dey disgust me, guy. Come out for this place.
I beg now. I beg. My man is big now. I beg.
Oga Joe.
Ebuka.
Oga. No, just call my name. Ebuka, it's okay. Chooks, I want to ask you a question now, man to man.
Okay.
Eh? I want make you answer me. Eh? Mama Waginti, are you stupid? Are you controlling me? Am I not your Oga? You are dating Susan, right? You want to marry her, right?
I don't pay everything.
You don't pay everything. Eh? Yes. So how will you feel if me as Oga now go to Susan and tell Susan that you are bringing a lot of girls to our workshop?
I beg now.
Why you to bring a lot of girls here? Eh?
You know, I can't actually stay here without thinking about you.
Really?
Of course, yes. I can't practically live with you without you.
Me too.
Are you sure? You know, I was thinking, why do people really have to go through hardship before they meet their blessing? I mean, did I have to go through a lot with my ex-wife before I had to meet you?
I don't know what to say about that, but I know that God has the best plan for everybody. And every ugly situation always have a lesson to teach us. So you don't have to beat yourself about it.
You know, you're right.
I'm always right. I know. Wife of the year. Someone will just badge you.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'll see you home then.
Alright. Actually, I'm on my way going to the market. Something delicious.
I can't wait to come meet you or something. You know those sumptuous meals.
I know.
Okay. Alright, baby. Oh, I'll see you at the house, okay?
Alright.
Love you.
Love you too.
Let me have it. My car key.
Lizzie, who are these things? Who are they?
Austin's side chicks.
Really?
Belinda, let me have my car key.
Listen, before you take it out on me, okay? Austin was the one who gave me this car to perform with. You're not the one who gave me the car.
Hey! Torino!
Did you hear her?
Can you
you mad? Yeah. So girls don't get mad again. Girls, you know they fear again. Like what did they give on their mind these days?
Let me have it.
Eh? So wait, let me get it straight. You mean the husband gave you girls his wife's car key to drive around town? So you can't get the mind, the boldness, the effrontery to say it to her face.
Did I snatch your husband? You have a husband. I said, how you have a husband? Marry, let me snatch you. Do you have a husband? What's your idea?
A dating and the careless life I live, not minding what people may say, but now it's coming back to me. But this is painful. I wish I can turn back the hands of time. I wish I can right all my wrongs and set everything right again. I wish I can turn back the hands of time. I wish I can right all my wrongs. I wish I can. I wish I can. I've lived an ugly life in the past. I've lived a wayward life in the past. Now he's coming back to me. A dating and the careless life I live, not minding what people may say, but now it's coming back to me. But this is pain.
My babies are back! Fun girls, happy girls. Where is Belinda, my baby? Where is Nina, my girl? Where are they?
Austin, this is not the marriage I bargained for. I did not do any of these to my ex-husband. So how dare you do this to me? How dare you give my car to your girlfriends? Why?
You mean you collected this car from them?
Yes!
I gave them this car to get me something from the mall!
I did not bargain for any of this, Austin. You are choking me. I've had it up to here with you and your auntie.
Elizabeth! Come back here! Come back here! Elizabeth! Elizabeth, come back here! Come back here! Did you slap me?
I'm sorry.
Did you hit me?
No, it was a mistake.
Are you crazy? Is something wrong with you?
No.
Are you mad? Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Who do you think you are? Elizabeth, who do you think you are? Jesus! Jesus! Who do you think you are? How dare you fight in public? When do you become this crazy street fighter? You're not saying anything, Abi? I'll solve this once and for all. Rubbish!
I've told you, don't allow this to get away problem between you and your husband. You've told her to leave and marry. She refused. A very toxic marriage at that. See, don't allow this woman to bring problem to you.
Oh, please. This is so appalling. This is so sickening to the ear. How could a husband give his side chicks his wife's car to drive around town. Even when the wife is still in the country. You check it out now, eh? Jay, no balance. I don't get it. See, there are some certain things I really cannot withstand. No, now. I can't take such rubbish.
I think that your friend is suffering from karma. Yes. If not, why would things like this be happening to her in an own home?
Really? So you want to tell me that every bad marriage is as a result of karma? No. So you mean to tell me that men do misbehave in their marriages is as a result of what their wives did in their single prime? Oh, please. Enough of all those karma this and karma that. Sometimes these women are so innocent.
This woman is once married with 2 kids.
Oh, yeah, I know that.
Now in a toxic marriage. Come on. See, there is no man on earth, I repeat, no man would treat a woman just the way her husband is treating her.
My dear, that's for you. But as for me, I will not see those I call my friends or those that I know very well going through this shit and then I will not react to it. Never, it's not me. I cannot let my friends suffer all this nonsense and then I'll just put my hands and be watching. No, now. I can't take it. Oh, please.
That's said my own. Just be careful.
Punishment is just too much. I don't listen to you.
Stay away from my wife. I will not warn you again. Stay away from my family.
Hey, young man, why are you shouting? What's the problem? I mean, who are you?
It's not necessary you know me.
Just tell your wife to stay away from anything concerning my family. How dare you walk into my house today? Who is this guy?
In the past, I've lived a wayward life in the past. Now he's coming back to me. A dainty and the careless life I live. Not minding what people may say, but now it's coming back to me. But this is painful. I wish I can turn back the hands of time. I wish I can right all my wrongs and set everything right again. I wish I can turn back the hands of time. I wish I can right all my wrongs. I wish I can. I wish I can.
You see? You see? No one wants you. Everyone hates you. With disdain, you disgust everyone that comes across to you. Everyone hates you. No one wants you in this world. Can't you see it? I mean, you should just go somewhere and die. I mean, find somewhere and hang yourself. Sometimes I keep asking myself, what is it? How did I get in touch with you? How did it all started? See, everything, all the love I once had for you, everything has disappeared. Your charms, all Buginina and Nago, I don't know how I come in contact with you. You are a disgrace. You stink.
All the call. I should just strangle you. I don't know.
So as you find rich, as you find finish, now poor mechanic, dirty, uneducated mechanic you see to date. Are you mad? How dare you? How dare you dating someone I am using to pass time? Someone I want to use to hold my body. Don't you have fear? Eh? Don't you have fear? I am asking you. You don't have fear. How dare you? Are you mad? Are you insane to cross my... Just hold it there. Hold it there. What is wrong with you? And who is dating your mechanic? Hey, see, listen, let me tell you. Chomaye is not dating anybody. If you're pained, go and take pain relief. Or better still, go and look for somebody that caused you pain. Are you alright? I see. I see. By the time I am through with you girls, by the time I'm through with 3 of you, you people will know why I am called Neki. Now, I can Ndori can name it. Ndori, where am I even going to pass from? Yeah. When you know you don't have here. Hey, are you mad? Because you are carrying mine. Are you crazy? So you are carrying it. Are you? Everyone wants to. What? Are you crazy? Let's stand. Ebuka, I'm talking to you. Ebuka, what kind of thing is this now? Ebuka, don't tell me you want to end this relationship, Ebuka. Ebuka!
If it will give me peace of mind, I don't mind.
Ebuka, you are not serious. You are not going anywhere. Ebuka, you cannot end this. Ebuka, come back here. I'm talking to you. Where are you going to? Ebuka, Shabi is because of that girl, Ebuka. Ebuka! Okay. We shall see. Don't worry. So because of my fellow girl, that's why you are ending our relationship. Don't worry, you see what I will do. You are that. I don't even know where you are going.
Baby, you're not sleeping. What is the matter?
I'm okay. Yeah, I'm just thinking, you know. Yeah, things are really happening. You know. People take dreaded risk and damn the consequences. Like, people don't even have the fear of God or the fear of tomorrow.
Are you talking about your ex-wife?
Who else? No, I passed through a lot of things because of that woman. Yeah. You know, I did a lot of things because of Elizabeth. I made a lot of money. I met opportunities. You know, I worked hard. But to what end? Nothing. I worked like a stallion, but it's so little that I could not even believe. You know, my sister actually told me this. Hey.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Have you seen father?
No, I'm waiting for him.
Oh, okay. Hey, do you stay around here?
No.
I'd like to know you do. Yeah. I get to see you around. You know, I see you as a decent girl. You're God fearing, you're always around the church. I'd love to know you. By the way, what's your name?
Elizabeth.
Oh, such a nice name. My name is Charles. Can I come visit you? Hey, look, I mean no harm. I just want to get to know you, your family. I mean no harm. I just want to know you. I see you as a very decent girl. And yeah, I think I like you. Okay, fine. Can I have your number at least?
See, brother, it's high time you return back to Abuja. Yes, you have to go back to Abuja. Because I don't understand why you say you want to marry my friend Elizabeth. I'm not in support of it too.
Tell me why. No, tell me why you're not in support of it. Eh? I should go and marry a prostitute.
I don't get it. Are there no decent girls out there? No, are there no well-trained girls there in Abuja? Why Elizabeth? Why?
Look, my dear. All that glitters is no good. This Abuja or whatever you call it. Look, I like this girl. And I'm going to marry her. Eh?
But you know what? I can see you're not being serious. As a matter of fact, you're not even in the right frame of mind. Yes! See, I am done talking about this matter. You're not going to marry Elizabeth. Elizabeth is not going to be my sister-in-law, and that is final. That's on period. In fact, I'm going to tell Mama.
Why are you jealous? Yeah, I know Elizabeth. Why are you jealous? Eh? Elizabeth is going to be your sister-in-law. What's wrong with this girl, safe? Huh?
So, Father, when are you going for a transfer in Abuja?
In a month's time, I should be leaving.
We'll miss you, especially your sermon.
Oh, come on, Elizabeth. I can understand. It's the work of the Lord. We move around for the gospel.
I wish to visit you in your new parish someday.
Okay, most definitely. I can't wait for that day to come. Yes, who is it coming?
Good morning, Father.
How are you, Brother Charles?
I'm fine. Good morning.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
I'll take my leave now, Father.
Alright. Please do not forget to organize a catechism for the first upcoming Holy Communion.
Okay.
Time is 4 p.m.
Okay.
I just said I should remind you.
I will. Bye-bye.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
So, Brother Charles, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Father. Father, I heard you've been transferred to Abuja.
Yes, you're correct.
Oh, that's a good one. I stay in Abuja. Area 11 precisely.
Really?
Of course.
It simply means we'll be seeing more of ourselves.
Sure, Father. It's a big pleasure to have you around.
Same here, same here.
To be an awesome time with you, sir.
You're welcome.
My God, man, look. I'm in love already. I swear. I know. No, look, I was surprised. She just texted me one afternoon. Yeah, she's been texting. She's been texting, calling, praying for me, checking up on me. It's quite surprising, though. Yeah. Guy, this serious, Jerry. Yeah. Look, she's a good woman. Yeah. And I'm sure she'll make a good wife. You did very stupid. I bet my friend go marry Jerry. That is fool. Alright, I'm gonna catch up later, Jerry. I have 1 or 2 things to do. Yeah. Alright. Come on. Yes, baby. I'm back from work. Yeah, and I got your text. Guess what? It made me smiling all day.
Yes, I did.
So yeah, tell me, how was your day?
I went to Novena Mass today. Yes, we didn't finish on time. It was when I returned I saw your many missed calls. Well, even tomorrow I will not be having so much time to talk on the phone with you. Because after the Legion of Mary, yes, I'm their leader. So I have to stay with them to the very end. I don't know. Maybe after tomorrow I will be sure. I will give you an answer. What about Father John? Have you heard from him? Have you seen him lately? He's in Germany. When is he coming back? Okay, but he'll come to the village and see us. Hey, I'm very happy for him. Do you want to sleep now? I thought maybe I'm disturbing you already. Have you had anything to eat this night?
Oh, yeah. I had noodles and eggs. What else am I gonna have? Look, I only cook on weekends.
During the week, they don't cook because I'm working. Besides, I just have noodles and egg in the house. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna cook something really good for you. When you come around. Yeah. It's okay. Okay, look, I think I have to go to bed right now. Tomorrow's work. Oh, you want to pray for me? Okay. Amen. 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 Hello, hey babe. Hey.
I can't really sleep.
What's wrong? It's past 12 midnight.
I know. I'm just thinking about you. So many things on my mind. Like being your wife tonight, right this minute, forever and ever. Have your kids, our kids, a boy and a girl, with you. Just live like a happy family. I'm just thinking about a lot. I want to ask you this, and please don't lie to me. I beg you. Do you love me?
Look, I love you. Hey babe, look, there are 3 most important people in my life right now. And that's my mother, you, and your best friend, my sister.
You do? You don't have any woman in your life apart from your mother and your sister? Really?
Look, you know what? I'm gonna surprise you, okay? I'll be traveling down to come and see your people pretty soon. Yeah. Let me just get done with the project at hand. I'll come down to see your people before they take you from me. Yeah.
How can you say that? No. How can you say something? What is wrong with you?
No, Mama, no. I will not allow that happen. I will not allow it happen. My brother will not marry Elizabeth. Never. My brother will not marry that Elizabeth of a girl. I will not allow that happen.
Adene, why are you protesting against your brother marrying your best friend? Why? Who? Your best friend.
God forbid. Mama, that girl can never be my best friend. She will never. See, Mama, let me just tell you. She started coming close to me ever since she realized, or even heard, I don't know which one, that my brother stays in Abuja. Mama, I know what I'm saying, no? I will not allow my brother marry that girl.
Mama, don't mind this girl. Eh? She's been saying all these things because she doesn't want me to get married to her friend. I seem not to understand what's the meaning of all this. So.
But why?
Mama, that's a lie. You know what? Elizabeth is a mirage. And as for you, I can tell you that for free.
No. Why are you saying this? Eh? Elizabeth? A girl that is the leader of the choir, leader of Block Rosary,
yes,
leader of Legion of Mary,
yes,
secretary to the church council,
exactly,
and even in the university. Yes. In the church, she's outstanding. Eh? Okay, I understand your problem. Maybe it's because you're not like her. Yes, you are not like her.
Papa, I will never be like her. Yes, I can never be like her.
I've said my own, no. You will not marry that girl. You see those devils you have in the city? Those ones you know. It's better, oh. It's better.
You're very stupid. I can see you lack respect. You must be very, very stupid. Mama, see, I will not stand there and watch Adana to speak ill about this girl. I will never stand there and watch her speak about this girl.
I've said my own, no. In fact, I will not even be in this house and allow you marry that stupid girl.
Yeah.
Adana. Yeah.
Let me understand what you're saying.
What is wrong with this girl? Why would she not want the brother to get married to the best friend? There's something I need to know. There's something she needs to tell me.
Hey, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry.
Why would you take me to a hotel in the first place? Why? What do you want people to think of me? I've never been to a hotel before. I hate it there. I hate it in hotels. Hotels are places of immoralities.
I'm sorry, please forgive me. Look, I was thinking since we were out of town, we could just do our thing, you know, I don't want to see us. I'm sorry.
Well, I don't want to do just anything. I certainly don't want to be seen in a hotel.
I'm sorry, please forgive me. Okay, look, why don't we just go to a friend's place? If you're fine with that, though. Or we could just go to your hostel or something.
Well, anywhere else but my hotel. Well, anywhere else but not my hostel or hotel. Not any of these two places.
It's alright. It's okay. Hey, I'm sorry. Look, it wasn't my intention, okay? I should have asked for your permission. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Okay? Hey, cheer up now. I miss you. I'm so sorry. Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Are you not going to look at me?
I'm shy.
Do you need me to help you with anything?
No.
So, when do we start? Should I turn on the lights? Okay. I'll turn on the lights. Guy. Oh my, look, that girl is so good. No, she's good, she's calm. Look, she's so naive in bed. If she be virgin, I'm a local virgin, I beg. Yeah, she said something about her being this sportsy kind of girl, you know, these girls that do gymnastics now. So I'm sure I must have broken her hymen. Yeah. That kind of thing, you know. Guys, you know I took her to the hotel. Man, look, the girl begin run, come back my girl. I literally had to start apologizing and start begging. I was sorry. For real. I swear down. I just had to take her now back to school and just drop her. Mama, guy, look, that girl has actually caught my heart. I'm going to make her my wife. I go marry her now. See how far. See, I did this bumpy road there, where they lead to us. I will call you back, when I reach us. I don't know, safe. Alright.
You will not cannot marry that girl. You cannot marry that girl. Well, come back here. What is wrong with you? Huh?
Wait, Papa. I still not understand. I thought we agreed on something. Eh?
You thought? You are thoughting. You are even still thoughting. You cannot get married to that girl. Yes! Because she is not good enough for you. Get someone else and get married to. Else, I'll get someone else for you to get married to. What is it?
Mama, wait, is my ear paining me?
It is not.
I don't understand though. Wait, so Adana has succeeded in downloading lies for you people. Eh? And Papa, you believe her?
A second. Look at you. You cannot talk to. Let me tell you something. Eh? Since you have decided to make up your mind, and go ahead and marry her, there's no problem. Let me just tell you, you see, yes, the way you make your bed is the way you will lie on it.
Nanye, this is not the question about how you lay your bed, you lie on it. No way. No, he is not getting married to that girl, and that is final. Yes, you cannot get married to her because she is not good enough for you. Son, it is only your friend that can be bold enough to tell you that your mouth is smelling. Adana has told us everything. Yes.
Mama, what's all this thing with Adana? Huh? What's all this? Is Adana controlling my life? Adana is only angry because I'm getting married to her friend. And you people are here telling me I cannot marry her.
You lie.
Mama, that is, you see, I've said my own. And my own is final.
So what is wrong?
Bye-bye.
As you know, no problem. We will wait and see you do that. You will not get married to that stupid girl. You will not. What is wrong with you? That makes it. You will not get married to her. Nonsense.
Why are you disturbing yourself?
No, I'm bothering myself because it's my son we are talking about.
It's your son you are talking about, and your son has become so strong-headed to become he wants to
he cannot be greater than you.
I know, but look at him. He says he has made up his mind. You are not going to marry your son, are you? Allow him to go on and put his hand into the fire.
And get us straight, and get us straight, Nani. He will not! He will not!
I'm telling you, sir, you are so gentle and calm, and I like you. If not, I want to tell you all this. You see that girl? She's not what you think she is, oh. I swear, she's not what you think. And besides, you live in Abuja. And none of us at this campus, we know all our move, all our corner which they do.
How much my sister pay you for this?
Pay me.
No, tell me, how much?
Nobody pay me to give information, no. If you think I'm lying, you see those two guys there. Go and confirm. Just see those guys. They don't sleep with your girl, like they don't zugu your girl. I won't lie to you. I swear. And every now and then men do enter a room and come in as if they're doing church service. And she'll be shouting on top of her phone in the middle of the night, screaming, doing service with us, disturbing the peace of the neighborhood. She'll not allow us to sleep. I swear to you.
Before I open my eyes, I'll close them. My friend, get out of here! You must be a fool, idiot. Ah! It's not your fault. I don't know. Adana! Adana!
I did not pay anybody to speak ill of Elizabeth. I did not.
You did not. You did not, Adana. You did not. See, next time I'll be walking on these streets and somebody will stop me. Any man or any woman stop me and talk trash about Elizabeth. Look, I will beat both the person and I will beat you.
See,
I will beat you.
But the walls have ears. The walls have. You think people won't know? I did not pay anybody. Mama, please talk to brother. Oh. He's accusing me wrongly. I did not do anything. Calm down. Adane, are you sure you don't know this person? And you are very sure that you didn't talk to anybody? You didn't pay anybody?
Mama, you the one asking me this question.
I did not
now. Why is everybody accusing me? I did not.
I have warned you. I've warned you. Mama, talk to your daughter. I've warned you. See, until we start beating you, you know where I'm coming from.
She said she did not pay anybody.
You think people will not know? You think people will not know?
She said she did not pay anybody. Why are you unnecessarily angry now?
Mama, see, talk to him. Let him stop accusing me. He thinks that people will not know. The words aren't here.
Talk to him, talk to him. Here. Talk to him, talk to her. Eh? Who then will I talk to? You people will not kill me in this house. You will not kill me in this house.
I've said my own. Like you should policy.
Understand this? Why would they resort to false accusations, blatant lies against me? Why?
Look, I really don't know. The truth is, I didn't even get to believe them, you know. Just trying to convince me, saying all sort of nonsense. It's fine, you know. Yeah, I've been meaning to ask you. The soap I saw in your bathroom is for vaginal tightening. What are you using it for?
Soap?
Yes.
In my bathroom? Amaka? That's Amaka's soap.
Oh.
What did you say it's used for?
For vaginal tightening.
It's not mine. I don't know what that is.
It's okay.
I'm not happy at all.
You're a good girl. All I do is go to class and from class back to my home.
It's okay.
That boy in my neighborhood, they have done everything they could to see my nakedness, but I refuse. Is this what they resorted to? Lying against me?
It's okay. I believe you. It's okay. Calm down. What is it? Are you okay? What is it? Elizabeth, should I get you water? Huh?
I'm okay.
What is it?
Sometimes I feel like throwing up.
Throwing up?
Yes, and then kind of dizzy.
Should we go see a doctor?
No. I'm going for confession this evening. Maybe tomorrow.
Okay.
Do you know when Father John is coming back?
From what I heard, I think in 2 or 3 years' time. Yeah. Any problem?
Today is his birthday. I wanted to call him and wish him a birthday.
Oh.
But I don't have his contact.
Oh. It's fine. Just a call him.
How can you do something about to give this to come inside the house? You want to even give me this?
She's 2 weeks pregnant. I think I need to rush this marriage because her church is against her getting pregnant before marriage. Okay, I think that's what I'll do. Is this not my sister? This is not Adama. Come! Adama! What are you doing here? Standing with a man, what are you... Do it. I know this guy now. I know this guy. Oh, so this is what you do, You pay people to defame my girlfriend,
No, she did not.
You must be a fool. So this is what you're doing? Standing on the street with a man. See, before I close my eye, I open it there. Before I get into this car! You don't even have shame. See who you're standing with. Mbishi.
I know you are enjoying it.
Very sweet.
Come on, promise, sissy.
I'm married you in the first place.
I'm a wonderful cook.
Did not start today.
Bye. Come now.
Papa, come on, my friend, will you stay here?
What is it?
Did I say it?
Said what?
No, did I say it?
Said what? Said what?
I said it that this girl paid that nonsense boy to go and manipulate lies against the woman I want to get married to. Did I say
Mama,
it?
it's a lie, yo. That's not true. It's a lie. You're talking with your mouth and not your hand.
Wait. What happened? What is the problem?
Ask her where I saw her. No, where did I see you? Where did you see? I saw this girl on the road talking to that idiot. The same boy she paid money to manipulate lies against Elizabeth. Didn't I said it. Hey, Kurmi, I said it. Didn't I say it?
It's a lie. Mama. No. I swear. Stanley is just my cousin.
Are you not hearing it?
Yes, both of us were in the same department. I was on my way to go get ice cream when I bumped into him.
Okay.
We decided to have some cheap chat.
So you're fed up.
You know, I even had to pay a ticket for her to fly her out just because I wanted peace in my marriage. Yes, and when I did that, Elizabeth was never a friend.
You married her because she was pregnant?
Yes, of course. Look, I was desperate and madly in love with her. I was so in love with her that if you get to speak ill or anything bad about her, you would never go scot-free. But what did I not do? I practically trained her in school. Despite the fact that I was hearing rumors about her escapades and the things she was doing in school, I still paid deaf ears to them. Is it her lifestyle? On social media? She practically flew to other states to meet with men. Her escapades and the things she did. I even trained her in university. Despite all these things. Yeah.
You said she got married to her friend's ex-husband.
That's what I heard. And that her father also disowned her.
I expected that. I mean, she did a lot of outrageous things.
A lot.
But we are not perfect in our own world. Also, nobody should take their sexual relationship to the third party.
True.
It's okay.
Look, she's just a mirage.
Let's go back to sleep.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's go to bed. Let's go bed.
I told you. You can see. The landladies are around. Huh? Let's just go back to the club. We still have enough drinks to boogie around. Let's go back.
Don't be silly.
Let's go
back. Let's go for the club.
Let's go. Yes. We can still go back to the club. Let's go back. You know, I don't like it here. Let's go back so that we can continue our flexing,
drinking, we boogie till dawn. Let's go.
Like on a second thought, I think you're really right. We can actually get a motel, right? And you can just break my bones too.
I'll crack your bones, I'll break your waist. Yes, let's go back. Let's go back. We get some more liquors. More liquors, okay? Okay. Landlady, we are leaving you right now. We going back so you can. You can come and shut the house. Oh, sorry for my grammatical wrong expression. You shut the door. Let's boogie all night.
Love you, wifey.
Yeah. In case you forgot, you still my beloved, most loved wife. Good night.
Lady and the careless life I live, not minding what people may say, but now it's coming back to me. But this is painful. I wish I can turn back the hands of time. I wish I can right all my wrongs and set everything right again. I wish I can turn back the hands of time. I wish I can right all my wrongs. I wish I can.
How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
Hip hip hip!
Hooray!
My guy!
Happy birthday, Buka. I wish you long life, more money,
Amen.
good health, and
Amen.
may your heart desires be granted.
Amen. You took me by surprise. Chioma! Oh my God. How do you tell speaker? I am flabbergasted. Flabbergasted. Wow! You know what? Nobody has ever given me a gift on my birthday.
Are you serious?
You are the first woman.
Thank you.
God bless you. I really appreciate it. My God will bless you.
Bless you too.
Oh God, I can't believe this. You took me by surprise.
On behalf of my friend Choma, I want to say thank you very much for all you have been doing for her. We really appreciate you because if not for you, we wouldn't have known this. Thank you so much. You're really a good man. Good man ever.
Can't you? You are better picking. My friend will marry you, don't worry. You don't tell me today say that I made it. I forget to. I didn't forget your birthday. Nobody dey honor for you. I didn't remember. How are you?
I'm fine, okay, Joe.
You're welcome,
Good day,
yeah?
Chicks, good day. Okay, so...
Yes.
Yes!
Yes. Let me go put on
You're the only man I love. I owe you everything. I've fallen in love with you, Ebuka. Please don't throw me away. Do not see me as your sister, but please see me as your girlfriend. I want to be your wife. I want to be your future loyal wife. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Ebuka, I want you. I want you to myself. Please, don't say anything. For the past 1 year, you have not touched me. For the past 1 year, you have not taken advantage of me. Am I not attractive enough?
Chi, you're very attractive.
I want you to myself. Shh. Don't say anything. I want you. Please touch me. Please.
Ah! Ebuka, you won't tell me say this girl where they date for over 1 year now. What this is what nothing they do for you? You never collect penny. You never chop this girl. I don't want to believe this one. I don't want to believe him.
But I had that yesterday, which was my birthday.
Just yesterday. So wait though, all this one where should they come here? When they do, they touch her, they play, they do all those things. Why does they look things? They just not sooner. You mean say I just yesterday? Now you enter her. What did yesterday? Ebuka, I don't want to believe. I don't want just believe this one. I don't want to believe this one. You want them to say what this why where this girl they come for this place? On a two they do things. I did they tell us sooner. I did they fuck up for your head.
Thank God,
I go. No, I know say I fuck up now. But now come say the thing they pay me because I come find out say you never even chop this girl at all. You don't fit this girl the day. 1 year, guy. If not me, one day I go chop him. That girl no get anywhere. One day I go chop him. I no care to know what happen. I go chop him. I go tell me say this girl. God, nah, no, they want me, oh, no, they want me.
I can't this for head. What happen?
Nah, I can't just they pay me. They pay me. How you go tell me to say 1 full year? Now just once, Ebuka, don't chop this girl. No, now.
Yeah.
No. I don't take this one.
Truth. And then they whine you. I'm not whining you. The truth is, I honestly love this girl. I love her so much. But I was very shy to tell her my intentions, to let her know how I feel about her. But as I speak to you now, she's my girlfriend. She's officially my woman. A woman she be now.
So, you don't finally chop the Adam's apple, right? Now, you don't chop them, you don't chop them now. Eh? But one day, you have to be very careful. Open your eyes. Now, where do you get to enter university? Abi? Yeah? Open your eyes. I don't say the girl love you. And the girl is sharp, you fine, you die. You don't understand? Use your senses, so you don't go use your own sense.
Oh God, why? Hey! Okay, you see, no reason me now. Yeah, why I did now, I did on high tension. You know why? Because I don't know, say, but say I fuck up, I still don't fuck up.
Yeah.
You know, me, normally I don't accept say I fuck up. But you know why I still fuck up again? Yeah. Because I still believe say this guy don't knock this girl. Come say never knock this girl. Now just yesterday, this man, they knock this girl. Hi. No, guy, fuck off.
But why? Wait. Why you carry this thing for head like say now?
I suppose to have for head now. Okay, you suppose know now. No wahala. But based on say my guy, I go advise you. Make you score goal.
Try to score goal. What do you mean? What do you mean by score? What's score goal?
Give this guy belle. Okay, you know be so. If you give her belle, we go follow you, go to her village, we'll pay her bride price, you carry her come, we know it's your wife. Yes now. Okay, you know be so. No be so it's supposed to be.
See what this thing where you talk now, eh? Sense down for one side. Eh? But the aspect of you giving her belle, I know they that one. Because you just entered university. I don't want me to carry enough stress. But one day, paying her bride price, all the very, 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 very necessary. So you no go lose that girl.
Oga Joe.
I know what happened to me.
Oga Joe.
Eh?
Oga Joe.
Eh?
If you go for school, you go see girls wey dey carry belle go school. Make dem find me now. If you go school, you go see girls wey dey carry belle. They carry belle for school.
Choose.
Tell am the truth.
Choose. You don't do. Eh? They go.
Wait, Oga Joe.
You don't tell me wait. I go slap the mad. Go for this place.
Babe, that dress looks so good on me. It fits. My shape, everything just came out.
I swear. Really look good on me.
You can say that again.
For real. My pleasure. What is the problem?
What is it?
Please don't mind me. Babes, please, I need your opinion on something.
Okay, on what?
It's Ebuka. He wants us to get married. As a matter of fact, he's planning on seeing my people. But I haven't said anything to him yet.
What is there to think about? Babe, you just entered year 1 and you're already talking about marriage. Are you for real right now? No.
Ichi,
What?
But it's not a big deal after all.
It is, my dear. It is a big deal. Both of you can get married after you graduate.
Well, maybe he's scared of losing her or something.
You have a point there. But listen to me, Choma. All you need to do is make him to trust you. Okay? You need to focus on your studies. You need to read and pass your exams. You can't be talking of school and marriage at the same time. It doesn't work that way. See, listen, if you accept now, before you know it, bam, Bele go enter. And you start skipping lectures, going for antenatal, booking appointment with doctors and all that. Please. It's enough for me.
Yeah, that's true, but they can decide not to have child until she's done with her study.
For 5 years? My dear, easier said than done. Which man will love you to that point? No, tell me. Which man? See, don't even think about it. There's nothing to think about here. By the time they start mocking you, calling you a barren woman, before you know it, Ebuka will just fire one shot. Triplets or twins will just enter. Please, oh. You don't need that now. Okay?
I think you guys are right. Because school, marriage, pregnancy, I think it would be too much for me to handle. So I will talk to him. Maybe he might see reasons with me.
He has to. He has to, babe. I'm your friend. I mean well for you. You don't need all this for now.
Shoma, you need to take it easy on yourself and don't lose him. He's helping you.
Who is talking about losing him here? You are not losing him. If he loves you like he claims, he can wait for 5 years. If you graduate, you get married. If you accept him now, you will not have time to read. You start failing your exams and you go back to square one. Do you want that?
No, I won't. I reject it. It's not my portion.
Please.
I will talk to him later. Thank you so much, girls. Thank you. Anything for me?
I don't know why you keep coming to my house. Associating with my wife. Let me tell you this, Lizzie. You cannot ruin my home. You cannot run your mouth to my wife. Yes.
You are uncomfortable seeing me around your wife because I dumped you, because I rejected you, right?
Lizzie, getting a house in this area is never a mistake. But you should know your limits.
I'm sorry, I didn't know you live in this axis. I really didn't. Also, do not talk about my past. Otherwise, you might compel me to tell your wife everything.
You always look so innocent, like a dove. But I know you're not. I know you too well.
Of course. My ex-husband was your friend, so you do know me.
Oh, baby. Lizzie! Hey, look at you! You're here?
How are you?
I'm okay, darling. And you?
I'm great.
Okay. I'm so happy to see you. Come on, sit. Come on. I love the smile. I just love the way you're happy today. Lizzie, has your husband returned?
No. No.
Why are you still keeping this marriage? Why?
I'm used to it. I mean, I'm used to it.
You're a very strong woman.
Thanks.
And very amazing too.
Thank you.
But you never for once told me about your past. Yeah, I mean your marriage. Yes. And I can recall you do call your ex-husband a beautiful soul. That you had a glorious marriage, a blessed home, that he adores you, he loves everything about you, you know? So, what happened at the end? Why did you both go your separate ways? Why?
I'll tell you, but not now. Right now, all I need is to borrow your phone to call my husband because he's not picking any of my calls and I'm worried.
Okay, I'll just let me get my phone.
Father, I am tired. I can't even pretend about it anymore. I am tired. I am fed up.
Elizabeth, I can understand how you feel. Divorce him and get a man for yourself. A good husband. Or you wait for the Lord to bless you with one. The last time I tried to talk to him, he was very hostile. He nearly fought me. I'm scared.
I'm scared. What will people say? What will people say? Chris will laugh at me. Chris and the other guy will tell him about it.
The truth is you're not living your life to please anyone around you. You're not, my dear. This is your life we're talking about here. You can be in a toxic marriage and you end up in the grave. Elizabeth, you're smarter than this. Yes, you are. No matter how many husbands you married. Doesn't matter. Yeah.
You won't understand. Never mind, I'll be okay.
I sent further decline to your parents. But
what?
It wasn't successful. Your father was very brutal. He's currently sick with high blood pressure as we speak. Your poor mother has been praying and crying to see you. But your father have bluntly refused her leave in their house.
I've lived an ugly life in the past. I've lived a wayward life in the past. Now he's coming back to me. A dating and a careless life. Not minding what people say. But now
look at where now.
it's coming back to me. But this is
I'll put the bonnet. I'll put the bonnet for her, make it sound. It is me and they play for you. Come see her, come see her. Make it say we play for you.
I wish I can turn back the hands of
what are you doing? You don't forget some people last time when the fish was. You supposed to be no, that's not you, that's small one. Anything we do this car, Oga, we go fix up for you. Nothing they do am. Very clean. Check out. Radiator, everything. Why? Clean. If you want even the this itself, we go put everywhere for you. How much is the car? This car, Oga, normally na 2.5 million. Now I buy this car from the person who I buy it from, and he use am where? You don't start saying it. Okay, but based on say 1 or 2, I get 1 or 2 issues. I make me one sell them for you for that 700,000. That 700K be this motor. 700,000.
Because of you. The car is good. That's what is the capital wishes. Anyway, I will give you 500.
Huh? You say waiting 500,000? No, okay, no. 500K for this kind of motor? No. Not because this say what that do.
Yes, sir. Money no deal.
Okay, no.
Money
Because of filmmaking give you 700. Why you can't call for 500?
There's no money. There's no money at all. No. Cash will not be cash.
Okay, see, normal level now 2.5 up to sell this motor.
No one make say I go give this to them or to make I come.
Okay, if not be say because of 1 or 2 issues, say I won't pay my woman her exam money. See, I for not even sell this my motor. I for not sell this motor is on first body paint. I for not sell this motor, okay.
You mechanic, they train woman for school. Train your girlfriend for school. They never do you anything. Okay. You just they start. They never do you anything. Okay, for that I go add 5,000 for you again.
Nah, okay, which kind of play with this one now? Now, crayfish one play come by. Okay, see, based on who you be. And then I look and say you don't like this motor, normal level. See, just add 50K to the 500, maybe 550,000. Maybe you just carry the motor a bit.
How much you want to do?
I'll reason you 20,000 now. Guys, said that money I go need to settle boys ready for park for this our mechanic workshop. I need to settle all those boys. They say I will see must chop.
There's no money in this country, you know that.
Now, guys, this 5K where you talk about, I don't understand though.
Money no day.
I don't understand.
That's all I can add to the
maybe
I've priced before.
This car go serve you well, Oga. This car go serve you well. I don't know if you tell me if I in the tell you 50K, not 5K. Bring the money, no problem.
Choose. Like play. You don't sell your only car. The only asset, no me, Chooks knows say you get.
Chooks. I know they happy say I sell my car. Car what buy 2.5 million. I sell am distress say for 505,000. That money is small. They happy. It's small. They happy, but kind of the ability. You don't understand? I thought I get that motor every time. I don't know how much I put for that motor. With fuel, everything. But I believe say me na hustler. I be struggler. I know say I go buy another motor. As normal level. You know say one customer fit just enter now say you know she dey be now say you need money that kind of thing. I'll dey pay as small. I mean I go buy motor, no be motor. I'll buy another motor. I'll buy another one.
No be lie, me I believe you. I believe your way. The only thing there be say since when this your girl enter this school, I don't observe say na Nah, pay. Every time pay. You only send, you never receive. I know like that idea at all. I just sure say, apart from this money now wey this man give you, you no get like 1,000 maybe your savings. I dey sure of that one.
Choose, what's your problem? Why the way dance on top my matter, sitting on your matter? Eh? What's your worry? I mean, we don't talk this thing before, and I don't tell you. See, anything what they do for Choma, and myself I dey do am for. Tomorrow, if that girl come graduate now, get work, and I call it collect better money, you know say she go activate my side. You don't understand? I mean, go gain her last. So what you call the talk again?
Actually talk. If you gain her now, me too, I will gain her too.
I don't understand. Up to which level now? You dey follow me, they babe my Choma.
No, now.
So they come, choose. You don't come again, oh. I don't like this dancing step where Bruce say, don't come again, oh.
As per your guy, at least something will still good, man.
You don't make heads out and choose.
No verse. The only thing there be say, at least I just want to say we don't chip in marriage for where she did.
Marriage?
Wait. You don't tell me say this look now no. Okay, you better find a talk marriage for where she did. Find one thing where you go do. Make get that girl though. Wait, what this spend like this now? You want me to go like that? I been never hear say all these girls when they go school. Once they come out from school like this, bam, another guy go just carry them. No play. You better use that marriage now. Get jar, hold on. Make it know so that your own. You do ya? I'm going to be. Don't play this play.
Chuck, she say no get sense. If I tell you say no get sense, you know they understand. What all day your brain. You know they hear what, you know get sense. Me and you, that is same my bonus. You my kid brother. Why should they carry my matter for it? You don't know say na law na Choma dey read for school. Sure you don't know. You don't know say that law it's not easy to read. Mark all reason I say marriage then okay. I should take compare join marriage and studies together. You don't know say that too much stress you go do on that body. You don't know the matter. What for you? You don't know say the love wey Choma get for me even high on the high voltage pass one way say me I get for her. Now make me dey activate for anything wey be say Choma dey involve me. You understand?
Okay.
Absolutely, that
guy.
Absolutely, that man they call me now and say, "Oh, absolutely, she don't do that." But
no, no be that. No fit tell you.
I tell you, say Choma love me. The love where this girl get for me high past the one where I get for her. The voltage of her love is too high. That makes me activate for her day. That she dey call.
Sure.
Hello, Chi baby. How far now? Oh, you coming home? You know what? That thing that I promised you, that stuff you don't do. Is that right? Just go to the house and pick it up, right? Give me now. Yeah, I'm coming.
You guys use your sense, man.
That woman you put your hope in,
I don't see
Baby, take this. I want you to use this to buy everything on the list. The list you gave me as regards your school, okay? And use the remaining to buy yourself some handouts and textbooks.
Baby.
Yes, my love.
How did you get this money in 2 days?
I worked extraordinarily hard.
Baby, please don't get me angry. Tell me the truth. How did you get this money? And this is more than what I asked for.
Sweetheart, I just told you the truth, okay? Fine, this is more than what you asked for. That is why I said you should use whatever is left of the money to, okay, buy more black and white uniform, alright? Then buy some handouts, new textbooks, Use remaining for some tuition fees. Whatever you need, just spend.
How did you get this money, one? How did you get this money, two?
Oh, okay, fine. It's okay, sweetheart. I sold my car.
You what? Why will you sell your car?
Baby, calm down, okay? My car was giving me issues. And my cab driver always complaining that the car is giving him issues too.
Most times I put him on what I don't even expect into the car. The car takes a lot of money away from me. I want you to concentrate in your studies. I want you to have a better life, a better future. I don't want you to be discouraged in your academic, okay?
Babe, you sold your car because of me.
I'll do anything for you, sweetheart.
You sold your car because of me?
It's nothing, okay? It's nothing. I'll do more for you, my love.
That woman you put your hope in.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I missed you. Thank you. This is huge. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love you.
Just use it well, okay? Just spend it little by little.
Yeah, I will.
Small. Babe, are you okay? Are you sure you're okay?
I'm okay.
What's wrong with you?
I've been vomiting since, but I'm okay.
Have you taken medicine?
No, I haven't.
You haven't? Let's go straight to the pharmacy. Come on, let's go.
No, babe, it's okay. I'll do that when I get to school. Besides, I just want to relax a little. I'll not be staying long. Let me just rest my head then.
Babe, are you sure you're okay? Babe, listen, let's just go to the pharmacy.
So brother, oh get the joy, then I'll get the joy. I can go job with you. Finish your economy, show you the yummy so. Madokwanya, oh get the joy. Them go job with you, finish the money go for. On your phone now, wow. Buffy baby. Buffy, baby. Stop and rethink before you do something, brother. That woman you put your hope in.
Yes, Loki. Just got there with the OT. I can't get tired of seeing my OGs. Hey, where come back from?
Sir? No.
Where come back from?
I just opened the gate for you.
You?
Yes, sir.
You?
Yes, sir.
Nonsense.
Thank you, sir.
Where is your landlady of the house?
Sir, she's inside.
Where?
Inside.
Inside?
Yes, sir.
Show me your way. Show me the way to your landlady of the house. Hey, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Okay, sir.
Don't even try it. Inside. Oh, gee. Nigga, stay there. Lucky. Huh? Where?
Inside my own.
Inside. Oh, gee. Just got that with the OT. Sing along. Exact. OG. Nigga, stay in the low key. Just get down with OG. Where is your useless stupidity, nonsense landlady? Where? Where? Show me the way. Come, get back. Are you falling in love with my wife? No! Do nonsense. Stupid. Cannot even sing along. Listen. OG. Nigga, stay in the low key. Just got down.
OG. Nigga staying a low key. Chase cartel with the OT. La lady with the OT. I can't get tired of seeing my OGs.
Austin, where have you been in the last 2 weeks?
Where
have you been?
Landlady.
Where have you been?
Landlady of the house?
For the past 2 weeks, where have you been?
You mean you have been waiting for me? AZ OG.
Austin.
Wait, for you see, you have been walking around for the past 1, 2 weeks, moving around with Belinda, my baby, and Nina, my girl. 2 of them we've been doing Triple H in hotel. The Triple H in the hotel. Trenches. We can't lose hope. We can't. Trenches life. 3 songs. Triple H. We can never, ever lose.
Do you want to vomit?
Never. What is going on? What is going on?
What do you mean what is going on? I'm taking off your clothes.
Oh, don't worry, I'm okay. Hey, I want to take off my pride. Hey, the pride of Africa.
Austin, listen. It's been a while since we listen.
It sounded like a rape. Somebody help! 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 Who is here? Help me! Help me!
I do not want to rape you. What are you?
Rape! Eh? You! It's rape! Ah! Don't you ever think I'm drunk? I'm not drunk, oh! Jesus! How did you? And remove my clothes. How did you do that? You're a criminal.
Because you need to take a shower or something.
You're a criminal. I want to go and sleep in the
I've lived an ugly life in the past. I've lived a wayward life in the past. Now he's coming back to me.
Austin.
A dainty and a careless life I live, not minding what people may say. But now,
Austin. Look, Choma, you don't need to tell him you're pregnant. Yes.
What do you mean, Kichi? How can she not tell her man that she's pregnant? How?
He will not allow her to abort the pregnancy. He won't.
I don't understand. You okay? How? What do you mean?
I don't know what to do. I am so confused. I didn't want this. It was a mistake. I don't want to get pregnant now. Not now. I don't know what
he's responsible. No matter what, he needs to know.
Choma, Ebuka would like you to keep the pregnancy. It will affect your studies and your ambition. Don't you get it?
And so be it. Because when she was having sex without protection, it's pregnancy. That's the result. So, whatever comes out, let her take it. Let her face it. Tell your man. Tell him he's your boyfriend and he needs to know.
You're sounding as if I did it intentional. No! I didn't plan for this to happen. What am I supposed to do now? Listen to me. Forget about all these things she's saying. People get pregnant every day and they abort it. Yours is not the first.
So comfortable.
Please, you need to abort it. You need to abort it. If the school authority finds out you're pregnant, you have a chance of being expelled. I'm telling you this thing for free. I know what I'm saying. Abort this thing.
Your life is involved. Abortion is it's not an easy thing.
Oh, please spare me. People do it every day. Many girls do it.
You just speak, you don't think.
People do it every day.
I've
It won't
seen
change
it.
anything. Abort it. You don't have more children in future.
My love, what is it?
Nothing, I'm fine.
No, you're not fine. You're not. It's written all over your face. Tell me, what bothers the woman that I love so much? Talk to me. I'm all ears. Go ahead and talk to me.
Can you help me with 20,000 naira?
20,000?
Yes.
Wow. Choma. Is it not just last week I gave you the same amount of money?
It has finished, oh.
Finished?
Yes, now. And I need this 20,000 naira for assignments. Eh?
Choma. See, the money I gave you last time was my last card. Huh? Sometimes I don't know. How do you normally not have money? See, that money I gave you last time was my last card. I don't have money. The only money I have here, which is 20,000, it's meant for my landlord. My partly payment for my rent. See, I've promised this man I'm going to give him this money. I have. Choma, his wife is sick and need urgent medical attention. I promised him I'm getting the money. That I'll give him this money today. I don't know what I'll tell this man. Baby, can't this money wait till next week? Come on, let me move around and see if I can arrange it.
No, it cannot wait till next week. If it gets to next week, that means I have to pay extra 10,000 naira, making it 30,000 naira. Yes, so that's
extra
what I
10,000, making it 30.
If I wait till next week.
Hey. Hey. Can you feel me? What will I do? You said it's 20,000.
Yes, 20,000.
Hey, Choma,
sorry now, sorry. I don't have another choice. If not, I won't ask you for the money.
Choma, you understand. If I shouldn't have said this. I'm thinking. Okay. Okay, I will. Hey, Choma. Okay, I'll give you the 20,000. Don't wait, hold on. I'll give you the 20,000. Then I'll look for something to tell my landlord. I'll tell him to exercise some patience. Let me run around and look for 20,000 and give to him.
Really? You give me the 20,000?
Do I have a choice?
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
I want you to be happy, okay?
I'm happy. Thank you. Nkechi, yes, I've gotten the money. Yes, so we can now go to the hospital. Okay. I'm washing some clothes now. When I'm done, then I'll come and meet you. Then we'll go. Oh, okay. Please wait for me. Wait for me. Okay. Thank you.
A woman of investment, invest wise in Ibadan. If you walk in any bay, abone kwajitelo mo. Emesi kwa inya kwanu mo. Manifenyele wanyi na nago kwano no kanai. So brother, inemi badokwanya, no get joy, then no get joy. I can go job you. Finish your economy, show you the yummy so.
Thank you. You're welcome. Nkechi, this is so painful.
I know, okay? And you'll be fine, okay? The doctor said it was twin.
Yes. I overheard her when she said that the fetus was 2 in my womb.
Don't worry, okay? Just relax. Let me go and pour hot water for you. So I can massage your waist, get you food so you can take your medicine. Okay?
Just so we can.
You'll be fine.
You'll
be fine, don't worry.
Okay, what is going on here? Chioma, are you okay? What did you do?
We got rid of the pregnancy.
What? I don't understand. Why?
What don't you understand? No, confess this girl. Do you even mean well for her? Do you want her to be expelled from the school? What's all this now?
And I'm asking you, do you two mean well for her? Chioma, did you tell Ebuka? Don't tell me you have done it.
No, I didn't. Please, don't tell him. I don't want him to know, please.
Please. But you told us that you were going to tell him when you get to the village. Why?
Enough. Ifoma, enough.
But
what is all this?
Fair.
What is not fair? What is not fair? Why are you even acting like Lady Amaka? Why are you acting so holy? Tell me, have you not had an abortion before? No, tell me. Please. You can see that she's in pain. Allow her to rest.
And I'll not be here to listen to you. I'm not involved.
Please go.
I am not involved.
Fine.
Just know that I told you.
Fine. Ifoma, if I know you said stay one place. Let her be. You know how she is. No. Please lie down. Every time question.
So before you invest here, brother, think it twice.
Wait. So, what's not the year like this? Say your landlord will shoot you from house because of 50,000 naira. 50,000 naira, that make your landlord pursue you. Come on, that your landlord mean, no? The landlord mean. Ha!
I even beg am say, make him give me plenty time, make I go run around, look for 20,000, give her. He even reject her, say if I don't give her the complete money, make her no come. Before I know, you don't push me come out for your house. Everything just happen like play. I play like play, I don't dey homeless. I don't get where they stay again.
Now wow. But wait, Ibuka. You won't tell me say, as me and you do like this now, they talk. You no get 50,000 naira for your account.
Chooks, you no go understand. Because I dey here fading, I no get for my account.
Hey!
Chioma school fees don't drain all my money. Their school fees don't chop all my money. I don't get 1 naira. I don't get money. Nothing dey on me, nothing go on me.
Wait oh. Chioma school fees don't drain everything for you. Now who force you to repay Chioma school fees? Nobody. Now you see responsibility. You decide to go carry responsibility put for your head. Now see where the responsibility don't land you. You think say to train person for university na come chop? Now you don't go cast all yourself, carry all your money, they go pay school fees, they go pay this. If the entire say pay this, you pay. Now you don't lose your car. See the car, the small car where they manage, they run around. You don't lose them. You don't lose your house. The television where do your house, you don't lose them. Even the house itself, you don't lose them. Because say one train person go school. It is to train person for university na rice and business tramit. Na lie yo. Oga na money. Better money. No, not be come chop, not be my for this town, no, for this country.
Chooks, reason why make me, what tell you boss. I know now, so I go tell you. If you accommodate me for your house,
you say?
I won't follow you stay.
Clean up. No. You better stop that. You better stop him. Stop him. Which kind of talk with that one now? Make you follow me constantly. When you carry the responsibility, I follow you carry him. I follow you carry the thing. No talk that thing again, no. And you know say we dey fight for my house. I won't come go join us again. Make am insist. I beg, I no want me to come inconvenience my sister and my wife. Now the two important people wey dey my house. Me no come inconvenience us. I beg. Respect yourself.
Yeah, no problem now. Since you no go help me, I'll go sleep for beer parlor now. I'll go beer parlor, go to sleep.
Hi. Beer parlor. And my guy, you be you. I don't feel allow you to sleep for beer parlor. If I say I dey in position now, I for help you. Huh? I for that help you. But no say we create it for my house. But that beer parlor now where you want go stay now, e no good. You know better say stay for shop.
Chips, they talk about shop. You call yourself my friend, I know if you help me. I been shift job.
That woman you put your hope in.
See this Odumodu why they try to help. And they try to give you advice, make we go help you. You dey call shots give me. As waiting now. Na me they go carry responsibility. No make me vex so. You want love. Now you dey love, I feel like they love kill you there. I know. I'll go find better thing to do. Friends why you come dress me there.
To wear Ebuka. Oga Joe. Ebuka. Oga Joe.
So you mean say I want to pursue you? I want to pursue you. So you mean say you carry money where you suppose pay your landlord. You carry the money, go give your girlfriend. Now landlord don't pursue you for house. Now you're stranded.
Oga Joe, I tell the man say make I give am 20,000, make him use solve the problem. Say later I go give am the balance. Oga Joe, I carry all the money give Chioma, make she use settle her school fees and everything wey they do for law. Make she use the money sort herself out.
Ebuka, they charm you. Tell me the truth.
No.
She started training that girl in school. You are looking so depressed, disorganized, tattered. I know you as a big boy before. So that look at you, you can't even talk. You are stammering. You never know. You can't boy. Common sense, Inwero. Eh? Are you sure you're not sure? Are you normal? Eh? Hi, God of mercy. You carry. Hi, God of mercy.
Oga Joe.
Shut up. Common sense no tell you say you supposed secure where you go put your head first as a guy man before you go do anything for anybody. Or before you go pay your girlfriend, I be concubine, I be your wife. I don't know what to do to do. Before we carry money give am because she dey study law. Common sense no tell you say you go secure where you go put your head first. Look at you. Just go do Since you started dating that girl, since you didn't want to in a mess going on much as even. Facial reaction again. Have him beside. Are you depressed? Are you okay? Hi. Ogacho, I beg. May you not lose guard me. I beg. See, I no get where I go if you go from here. I say make I beg you, make you give me accommodation. Make I follow you stay for some time. I go bounce back. I no see I go do alright last. I got you. I no want stay for this park, sleep here for night. Make all those area boys, make them no come beat me, collect the little things so I get. I beg. Accommodate me, I beg. I use God beg you. Oh God, you no lose guard me. Oh. Are you normal? Normal? I did shame you. I don't know. No, tell me. Because your behavior these days, look at the way you're talking. For him back. It is what I was going to become mal then. Can you mess it? Oh, my boy, you're mal and more for my motor. Can you mess it? I was what go. Now your baby like what I'm saying. When you mess it, you get them. But wait, I want to make you reason. Normal person wey get IQ wey dey reason well. This is what they do now. Say you don't carry money, go give your girlfriend because I be your wife, I be your concubine, I don't know what it be. Because say she dey read law. Now you are stranded. Comment say no tell you say you fuck up? Anyway, I don't tire for your matter. Very soon I go soon pursue you for this job now. Because don't do mess with your much as ever. I am going to call my sister and beg her. That my sister is above 40 years, but she's not married. So I'm going to beg her so you stay in her house for the meantime. God go bless you, Gaju. God go bless you. God go bless you. Oga, no, they promise you anything. I'm saying that I'm going to call her. I'm not promising you whether you agree or not. So you get remember God. Don't stop telling me God. I will call her if she agrees that you will come. I carry her number, give you. You call her. You go there, go put your head. But one day, you lose this square. What's going to become Malabeba? You lose this square. Come and see. I want Anyai. Allah. Ogu. You go. God choose for me. Then go come out from this place. The first day when you want to pay that girl, I want you.
Woman, you put your hope in.
Not reachable. Which one is not reachable now? Oh, which one is not reachable? I've been trying to reach Choma since yesterday till now. Her number is not reachable. Hope she's fine. Everything is okay with my Choma. If nothing has gone wrong. Hey, what do I do? Okay. Let me call her friend Ifoma. Do you have a number? Yeah, Ifoma. Ify, how are you? It's me, Ebuka, your friend Choma's boyfriend and husband to be very soon. Please, I've been trying to reach Choma since yesterday. Her number is not reachable. I don't know what is wrong. I don't know what has happened. Hope she's fine. What? She's not feeling fine? But we spoke yesterday now. She didn't say anything like she's not feeling fine. Okay, no problem. All right.
So before you invest, yeah, brother, think it twice, yeah. Hey, oh melon one, yeah.
You're welcome one more time.
There we go. That's my country.
No. This is the bride price you people paid for my daughter. Yes.
You see, in fact, the attitude of your daughter during the period she was our wife, there's so much to be desired. You see,
Mazen, the purpose of you people coming here had been completed. Abi? So any further discussion with Tantamoto, Ibia Buanyoge to waste our time. And I think let's call it a day.
You see, we're not quarreling here. You understand? We're not quarreling. All we have to say, we've done the right thing, okay? And
it's not as if we are quarreling. Okay. We are not quarreling. So it's not as if we are quarreling. The truth is that the purpose of you people coming has been completed.
Yes.
So any other this thing will amount to wasting our time. So I think you people, let's call it a day.
Hana,
so maybe I better not call in yours. No, that you don't want anything to me. I cannot leave my work and what I'm doing in about to come here for nothing. What is going on? You are my brother. So tell me, when the eye bleeds, the nose bleeds as well. Now, why did these people come to collect Elizabeth's diary? Elizabeth, I know. She's a well-trained girl. And she loves the things of God. So I don't know what is there anything going on that I need to know?
Well, one of them. My brother.
It is one of those things. The young man said he is no longer interested in my daughter and he has to remarry. Should we kill ourselves?
After having 2 kids for them. No, they are Nazi.
But that is his decision.
No. That's nonsense. That is nonsense. Elizabeth, I know she's a well-trained girl. So is there anything that I don't know that you people need to tell me?
It is high time you let things be. We don't have any business with them again. And my daughter is a free woman now. Ogochala.
That means Elizabeth has been having crisis in her marriage and nobody told me. Obria.
What is that is that let me just say it. Let me state this to your hearing here and now.
Okay.
My brother, I have disowned Elizabeth.
Papa?
Elizabeth Abroswam, she is no longer my daughter. Papa?
Now. And I said no to this one. As a member, you cannot disown my own daughter.
This is nonsense. The only girl in this family. No. It's not possible. So, can somebody tell me what is going on?
I don't even understand what is going on here. I don't know what is going on here. No one wants to talk. You people are forcing me to say something. You people are forcing me to say something.
Please say something. I want to hear. Well, no, talk. I want to hear. What is going on?
Nothing is going on.
There is nothing going on. It is high time you return to Aba where you came from. Yes. Why are you asking him? You keep on asking him. What do you want to know?
Because I want to know. I can't leave all the way from Aba to come here and nobody's talking to me.
I talked. I have spoken. And the thing is this, my very self as the head of the family, as the man of the house, I have spoken.
No.
Elizabeth is no longer my daughter.
You cannot disown Elizabeth. That one you have draw possible. It's not possible. So,
Elizabeth is no longer my daughter.
Hey!
Papa insisted that we should not call or go to Elizabeth for any help. He would rather die with his pain than having her around. Do you know how he would feel if he finds out that we went to her?
But he will not find out.
Papa said his friends will help us with the medical bills, so there's no need.
Ekene, we are talking about your elder sister here. Please, my son, you should have a heart. She is still your blood. And she did not kill anyone. Please.
I want to respect my father. Just let me do just that. Do you know how I struggled out there to get over what she did to her marriage? Or what she was doing before she got married? It's so appalling, it's so irritating, Mama. Of all men in the world, do you know how the Catholic faith frowns at what she did?
I know.
Don't worry. My father is a knight. So don't worry about the past. His fellow knights will help us with the bills. You don't have anything to worry about, yeah? Yeah? Please.
So true.
I really don't know what to tell you, sir. Look, I'm not in the best position to explain to you the things that happened. I've been trying to go collect the bride price I paid on her. I remember the last time I came back from Germany, I went to her hometown to go see her people to dissolve the marriage. Well, along the line I changed my mind. It was actually my parents that made me change my mind. You know, we went on, and I could vividly remember her making us change where we used to live and travel down to Abuja. Just because of one person, this same one person. At first I did not know. Later on I found out. But we thank God for everything, you know. It was a roller coaster, but it has been dissolved, and we thank God for everything.
Okay. But if I may ask, who is this particular person that made you and Elizabeth to change location? Why are you not telling me what happened? Because I'm lost here, I'm not getting it at all.
I believe she'll be in the best position to tell you these things. Yes. As for me, I have no information to tell you. If you need any information, you could call her. But as for me, I don't want to talk about anything that has to do with my past marriage.
Okay, well, if you say so, I won't ask anymore. But you see, my brother and his wife, they've refused to tell me what happened. And it's almost getting to 2 years. As for Elizabeth, she's not picking my calls. And she don't even return calls. So, I think I'm lost in the whole matter. So that's why I'm here for you to help me, please.
I see. Well, like I said earlier, I am in no position to discuss any information or talk about anything that has to do with my ex-wife and my past marriage. I'm sorry to disappoint you. Maybe in the nearest future, we'll have a sit out and talk about this. As of now, I have nothing to talk about.
It's okay. It's okay. It's alright, no problem.
No problem at all. Thank you for
so, let me be on my way now.
Thank you, Chief.
It's alright. Thank you.
My money. I can't find my money and my jewelry. My jewelry box. Austin, I'm talking to you.
What do you want me to say? I did not touch any of your things.
What do you mean you didn't touch any of my things? I can't find them. It's just you and I in this house. Where are my things?
Look for them. What will I be doing with your things? I don't touch anything.
Your side chicks. Your numerous girlfriends have made away with my expensive jewelry box and my dollars!
Hey, don't even go there. Don't even try it. My girlfriends are not thieves like you. They are not.
Then where is my money?
Sometimes you need to have a rethink. You need to sit down and ask yourself some questions. What is wrong with you? What have you done that the Almighty God is punishing you so much? Punishing you like this. Can't you think? You're always looking for one thing or the other. You need help. H-E-L-P. Help!
You are going to give me my money and my jewelry box right now!
Elizabeth, the devil is hovering around. The devil is just hovering around, trying to.
You are going to kill me. You are going to have no choice but to kill me. Otherwise, you're not going anywhere.
I'll kill you.
You're going anywhere. Where's my money? Where's my money? What? Shut up! Come close to me. Come an inch. Shut up! Come an inch closer and I will stab this boy. I will kill him and kill you too. Shut up!
Elizabeth, why do you keep using objects to threaten these children? Elizabeth, what is it?
Because I hate you. I hate the fact that I married you. I hate that I have this children for you.
Elizabeth, it's okay. Please leave my children for me. Elizabeth, please, don't harm my children. Elizabeth, where is my money? Elizabeth, where is the 5 million naira that I kept in the room? And the 7 million naira check in the briefcase? Where is it?
Fuck you. I've spent it. There is no money. There's no money. I've spent it.
Elizabeth, it's okay. It's okay. Elizabeth, calm down. Calm down, Biko. Calm down, okay? Elizabeth, please.
If you come close to me, I will stab this boy and then I will kill you.
Elizabeth.
Come close now.
It's okay.
Try and come
It's
close.
fine, Elizabeth. Please. Drop it. Yeah? Drop it. Please.
Stupid idiot! And get out of my sight! Get out! Ask me at what money? Give me any money. Give me any money.
I'm certain nothing is wrong with your wife. She's mentally sound. I think she does all of that to tempt you or get you angry for any reason.
Oh no, my kids. She's always mad at my kids. It's a different case if she wants to get back at me or something, but not passing it on to my kids. Look, doctor, are you sure she's mentally sound?
Like I told you, she's perfectly fine. But about this, have you taken any drastic step about her?
So I have never hit my wife before. And I would never.
Perhaps she knows you love your kids so much. That's why she does all of that. But hope you don't hit her.
Doctor, no. No. That's a no-go area. I don't want to hit my wife. She's my wife, for crying out loud. Besides, I vow to God never to lay a hand on a woman.
What is going on here?
Welcome, madam.
The doctor is here. Charles? Will you have reported me to the doctor?
Elizabeth, where are you coming from since yesterday?
How is that your business?
Elizabeth, you're my wife. I called you and you switched off the phone on me. No calls, no text, nothing.
Did I say I wouldn't return?
Elizabeth, you said you were going to church to see Father John. And I went to the parish to see Father John and you were not there. Come on!
You're a fool. You're a big fool for daring to insinuate that I am a lost puppy. Did I say I wouldn't find my way back home?
Elizabeth!
Would this be the first, second, or the last time I will return after being away for so long? Do I not go and return as I please? Charles!
You know what? We're not going to wash our dirty linens out here.
We're not?
No, doctor, you can see. This is the same lady I married 5 years ago, the same church girl. If I decide to end this marriage now, she'll start begging me. No, they'll start telling me about the talks of, oh, marriage is not the bed of roses. You can see a married woman. A married woman coming back by this time.
Serve the dramatics. If you're not pleased with me again, divorce me. Divorce me.
No, thank you. Thank you. No, thank you very much. You know, they warned me about her red flags, but I did not listen. Doctor, you can see for yourself. No, doctor.
All I just want you to do is calm.
Doctor, I am trying my possible best to be calm.
you do something, brother. That woman you put your hope in, maka nife mele nwanyi nesokwa nwanya nano mbogelu. So before you invest here, brother, think it twice here. Inano, hey, omelo nwanyi omelo nwanyi, omelo nwanyi melo kwankanana. Inano, onya na melo nwanyi ogocheta makechinu. Inano, a woman of invest.